around $8 negative power bill a week at the moment. We'd probably be paying $250 to $300 a month. So yeah, we started beginning of winter a negative $70, and at the end of winter we were negative 40. But even only a few months and we're back up to negative 100. It's just one bill less to have when you retire, and it'll just get better from here on in. In our last property we had a swimming pool, and so we wanted to go solar at that property just to make the savings on the running of the pool. And we actually went to a different company for that. We hadn't heard of Lightforce at that stage. And when we came to do this house, so we were already sold on the idea of solar. So when we came here, we actually spoke, our brother-in-law told us about Lightforce. So we decided to give it a go. We weighed it up and worked out that we should pay it back within around 10 years. And after that, it's all free. We started with 20 panels and 1 battery. And then we decided there's another part of the roof where we're getting the late sun, so we added another 8 panels and and with that you needed to add another battery, another inverter, so we did all that. And it's, yeah, we're making even better savings now.
We have our 2 batteries here. Each battery has a 4 LED indicators to charge it, show you the charge in the batteries. Very small, very compact. Still get the car in, plenty of room to get past them. This one here is our mains changeover. If we have a main grid power failure, we automatically switch over to battery power, so we can be completely off grid and we're sitting in the city. Real handy. So if we have a main grid failure, we've still got power and we've still got freezers full of cold food. And during the day, of course, the sun comes back out again once the batteries run down.